Hello, good day. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading. And today, uh, we will unmask the enigmatic ally of yours. No, so you've got a secret helper, an unseen hand guiding you from the shadow. But who is this person, and what truly drives their hidden assistance to you? So this is a collective breathings. If you find this video and this message is for you, no. So the tarot cards paint a complex picture, revealing the character woven from the resilience and mystery and strength and subtle struggle. No, so let's find out, no, what his character and what his possible traits. No, we'll see that. You see right away, but we will find that out later. We will discuss. Okay, Spirit Guide, who is helping them? Tell us some. Is it for their own good? Is this really